Okay, I had the question, how do we get the magnets out of the these excellent adjustable nylon chassis from Scaleauto? Well, the front one should just push out. Looks like they may have glued it in, but no, it just pushes out. It's got a slight little clip here that retains it. Then on the rear one, we'll take the wheels off, and again, it just pushes out. So there's the answer. They push out. There's a little shelf here, a little lip that you're pushing it by, and that's it. So if you want to run it no mag, then you would put this back in, put your spacers back on. Obviously the wheels have a 1.5mm Allen. It's not actually tight right now, so I was able to just push it on, but then off you go. Tighten the axles, align the front to rear, because this is like a ladder system, so it is possible to get it skewed out of line. And then I did another video. You can change this guide to a much better guide for wooden tracks or tracks with a deeper slot, although this one is a good guide, but you can change to the BRM guide, and I did do another video on that to show you how you can do it. You can also cut these pieces and add the suspension, but they're a great little chassis on their own. You can change the brass bearings here for ball bearings. On this front one, these screws control the down. There is underneath here a place to put screws in to control the up movement, so as you can set the axle so that it doesn't rock around. And that's it. Great product. That is the SC-8500RTR, a ready to run chassis for building model kits.